हेलो दोस्तों, आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे।
Galvanometer. A galvanometer is a device used for detecting weak or feeble currents in the electric circuits. It consists of a horseshoe magnet with concave pole to provide a radial magnetic field. A copper frame wrapped with a thin insulated copper wire acts as a coil. It is mounted between the poles of the horseshoe magnet. Two hairsprings are attached to control the motion of the coil. These two hairsprings are in contact with the two terminals of the galvanometer. A aluminium pointer is attached perpendicular to the coil, which move over an arc scale. The scale has 0 in the middle and equal number of divisions on either side. As current passes through the circuit, you can see the deflection in the pointer. If we reverse the direction of the current, the pointer deflects on the other side of the scale. Here, the deflection is proportional to the current passing through the galvanometer. When the current passes through the coil, it experiences two equal, parallel and opposite forces on it. These forces form a couple and rotate the coil, and in turn make the pointer to deflect in proportion to the current passing through the galvanometer. To find out the figure of merit, we connect the galvanometer as per the circuit. Here, the current required to produce one division of deflection in the scale of galvanometer is known as figure of merit, which is represented by K. K is equal to I by theta. We know I is equal to V by R. Therefore, K is equal to E by R plus G into theta, where E is equal to EMF of the cell, R is equal to resistance connected in series, G is equal to galvanometer resistance, theta is equal to deflection in the galvanometer. The aim of this experiment is to determine resistance of galvanometer by half deflection method and to find its figure of merit. The apparatus used in this experiment are a Weston type galvanometer, a voltmeter of range 0 to 3 volts, a battery eliminator, two one-way keys, a rheostat, a screw gauge, half meter scale, and milliammeter of range 0 to 50 amps, and connecting wires. Resistance of galvanometer. To find the resistance of a galvanometer by half deflection method, we connect the galvanometer in the circuit as shown here. Here, when you close the key K1, the current passing through the galvanometer is given by I is equal to E divided by R plus G, which is K theta, where E is equal to EMF of the cell, R is the resistance, G is equal to galvanometer resistance, theta is the deflection, K is equal to constant. Now, close the key K2 and adjust the shunt resistance S such that the deflection in the galvanometer is theta by 2, which is half of the previous deflection. The resistance of parallel combination of G and S is given by Gs divided by G plus S, and the current in the circuit is Ig, and the fraction of current passing through the galvanometer is I minus Ig. So, by comparing the equations 1 and 3 and by solving equation 4, we get the galvanometer resistance G is equal to R into S by R plus S.
Here, the positive terminal of the power supply is connected to one end of the resistance box other end of the resistance box is connected to one end of the galvanometer, and the other end of the galvanometer is connected to one end of the plug key, and the other end of the plug key is connected to the negative terminal of the power supply. Here, this resistance box is connected in series with the galvanometer, and this plug key helps us to allow the current to pass through the circuit. Also, another resistance box is connected in parallel with galvanometer along with this key.
Resistance R is equal to 3200 ohms. Deflection in the galvanometer is equal to 28. Shunt resistance S is equal to 47 ohms. Half deflection theta by 2 is equal to 14. Galvanometer resistance G is equal to Rs divided by R minus S, that is 3200 into 47 by 3200 minus 47, which is 47.70 ohms. For a series resistance of 3200 ohms, the deflection of the galvanometer is 28 and the corresponding shunt resistance in the half deflection is 47 ohms. Therefore, galvanometer resistance is calculated by G is equal to Rs divided by R minus S, that is equal to 3200 into 47 by 3200 minus 47, which is 47.70 ohms. Similarly, the values for a series resistance of 5050 ohms and 8200 ohms are as follows. Mean value of galvanometer resistance is G is equal to G1 plus G2 plus G3 by 3, which is 47.80 ohms. E is equal to EMF of the cell, which is 2.5 volts. R is equal to resistance in series, that is 5000 ohms. G is equal to galvanometer resistance, that is 47.80 ohms. Theta is equal to deflection produced, that is 20. K is equal to E by R plus G into theta, which is 2.5 divided by 5000 plus 47.80 into 20, that is 0.00002476. For a 2.5 volt EMF of the battery, the resistance introduced is 5000 ohms and deflection observed is 20. Therefore, the figure of merit K is equal to E by R plus G into theta, that is 2.5 divided by 5000 plus 47.80 into 20, which is 0.00002476. Similarly, for 5 and 7.5 volts EMF of the battery, the values are as follows. Mean value of the figure of merit K is equal to K1 plus K2 plus K3 by 3. Therefore, K is equal to 0.00002446. The connections should be neat clean and tight. All the plugs in the resistance box should be keyed properly. The cell should have a constant EMF all through the experiment. Initially, a high resistance from a resistance box R should be introduced in the circuit to avoid any damage to the galvanometer. The value of R must be very large as compared to the value of G.
दोस्तों, आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी हमें कमेंट करके बताइए। यदि अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और दोस्तों के साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए।